Hello guys, my name is Waldo.
And I'm Jackie.
So welcome to another salsa class, alright? So we're gonna start with the basic step, alright? So guys, alright, I'm gonna go forward with my left foot in the count number 1.
And ladies, you're gonna go back on your right foot on the count number 1.
I'm gonna step in place with the right foot in the count number 2.
Ladies, step in place in the count 2 with your left.
I'm gonna go back with my left foot in the count number 3.
And ladies, you're simply gonna go forward on the count 3, right foot.
4 is a pause, so I'm not gonna move, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go back with the right foot in count number 5.
Ladies, you're gonna go forward with the left foot on 5.
Right. I'm gonna step in place with my left foot in 6.
Ladies, back in place with your right foot on 6.
You're gonna go forward with my right foot in 7.
Ladies, back with left foot on 7.
And I'm gonna pause in 8, and then we'll start all over again, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6,
7, 8, and
1, 2, 3,
and 4,
5, 6, 7,
8. Right? We do the same thing. 5,
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7.
8. Right?
Really nice.
Now, very simple. Imagine Spider-Man fingers. So I'm gonna make this, right, to connect with my partner.
Ladies, you're gonna drive a shopping cart like this and plug onto his hands.
Right. Make sure, ladies, do not squeeze the fingers of the guys because it hurts, right? So, I'm gonna be here, right? I'm gonna relax my arms, not too close, not too open, so just an area where you feel okay. And make sure this part of the arm is parallel to the floor, right? So we're looking for to create a 90 degrees angle with the elbows for both, right? This is gonna give you the perfect space between us, right? I'm gonna start my basic step, right? So going forward with my left foot. So
ladies,
we'll go here.
back.
1, 2, 3, and 4,
5, 6, 7,
8, and
1, 2, 3,
and 4,
and 5, 6, 7,
and 8. All right. You're gonna notice a little movement with the arm, so please avoid to do it through the hand. Technically, eventually, we wanna teach you how to do body movement in the upper body. So that movement is what create the consequence for the arms to move, right? But it's not separate. This is separate and the arms move. This is leaded by the upper body, right? But don't worry about that yet. It's your first class. Worry about the feet for now, okay? Right? So we try again. 5,
6, 7,
and
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7,
8,
1, 2, 3,
4,
and 5, 6, 7.
Alright? Alright, congratulations guys. Ladies, this is your class number 1 and we'll see you next time.
Bye.